Okay. Rainbow. 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 Okay. Oh, one of the easiest ones for this is b. B. D. B. Okay, that's easy. Rainbow. Rainbow. Okay. Now the ending's pretty easy too. Oh. It could be this, just the letter O. But a lot of words don't end with just O. There's a few. Solo. There's not a lot. Usually, O wants to have a friend after it to make it say its name. O. So, I'm looking here. O. Now, sometimes this says ow, like ow, I hurt my finger. But it can also be O. So let's put that here. Let's see. Now we have B-O, like a bow in someone's hair. Or, if you notice how it's shaped, like a bow and arrow. This looks like a bow. It's because it's a big arch. Like a bow. That somebody would use with arrows in the sky. Now we have rainbow. Now what am I going to do with this? Vowels, vowels, vowels. Okay, now, if I know my Spanish, and a lot of you do, I know that this letter, E, works really nicely to make the E sound in Spanish. Rainbow. But we're not doing this. This is not a Spanish word. This is not arcoiris. This is rainbow, English word. And if I put this here, it'd be rainbow. A rainbow. That doesn't work. So I'll put that aside. And same with this. If I was going to do this, we'd have, again, rainbow. Nope. If I did this, what would we have? We'd have the E saying its name. So it'd be, what would it be? Rainbow. Rainbow. That's a cool sound, but it's not what we're trying to say. I think we're going to want to have an A in there somewhere. A. An A sound. Okay. Now here's an A with the E. Most of the time, EA says the E's name, right? Because this is the vowel that makes this say its name. So this would be rainbow. Rainbow. Oh, that's not going to work. That just sounds like this. So we have A's. Oh, here's an A. How about that one? Well, let's take this out of here and we can look at this word just by itself. What is this by itself? Ran. So here we have a rainbow. It sounds like an 80s action flick. Okay, rainbow. Well, that's not going to work. Because now these vowels are too far apart for A to say its name. There's too many consonants in the way. So A is going to sound like ah. So we need an A with a vowel. Now if I did this, here's an A with a vowel, but the A is second. So here we've got Ryanbow. Now if you had a friend named Ryan, and he had a bow and arrow, that might be what you'd call it. A Ryanbow, but that's not what this is. There's only one left. AI. Sometimes A, I work together to make A. Because A says its name, because I is here as the silent letter helping A say its name. rainbow, 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 rainbow. That's it.